Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to convert the wind chill formula from imperial to metric. So they give us this basic wind chill formula and they want us to convert it into SI or metric. So what we need to do is, first of all, we can skip the free body diagram, our FBD, because we are just given the equation. Step 2, list all the given values and then find the unknown. So they give us the velocity and the temperature, and we need to convert those into metric. So step 3, find the temperature formula. So they give us the wind chill formula right here. That's the basic one. Step 4, we need to simplify and convert the formula for metric velocity. So 1 mile per hour is 1.609 kilometers per hour. So that means we need to divide the velocity by 1.609 kilometers per hour. As you can see, the velocities, they've got 1.609 being the division or the numerator, and then they simplify it. Okay. Step 5, simplify and convert the formula for metric temperature. So once we converted the velocity, now we convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So the first line, we're just substituting that into the formula for the conversion. And then finally this line, they have rearranged and made the wind chill in degrees Celsius, along with the velocity in metric as well. Alright, so disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes, especially with conversions from imperial and US customary to metric and SI. I highly encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. You can find it in your taskbar. If it's not there, it will be in your Windows search. Type in snipping tool. If you are using a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. And for those that have never used snipping tool, follow these instructions. Once you have the app open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.